In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the layout of your site. When you're on the page for which you'd like to change the layout, on the right-hand side, there are 6 predefined layouts you can choose from. If you'd like to use one of them, click on it. All right, so now I have the option to add content here, add some text content here, and maybe like a title, add some additional text content here, and there's 2 of these side by side. If you don't like that layout, simply delete it. Choose a different one. There are also several layout options for content that you can use underneath that. You can add collapsible group, table of contents, image carousel, a button, a divider, all sorts of things. You can add YouTube videos, a Google Calendar, a map, docs, slides, sheets, forms. You can add a bunch of different things. The 4 main ones are text boxes, images, something you're going to embed, and a content element from Google Drive. If you are on the page and you simply double click, you have 4 options around the circumference of the circle, and then the text option is in the middle. So this is Drive, Embed, Image, and then you can upload content onto that page. And that is how you can change the layout of a page in Google Sites.